Sanity Seekers, thank you for joining me. Today I have 2 more tiny Christmas wreaths to make for my tiny little Christmas shop. For the first one I'm using a small wooden ring from the craft store, but a shaped pipe cleaner would do just as well. I've popped a little glue on there and am wrapping it with some small Christmas tinsel. The tinsel, however, is still too fluffy for the scale, so I'm trimming it up with some scissors, which will help define the wreath shape. I'm making a blue sparkly Christmas bow out of washi tape by cutting a length, cutting a narrow piece off that length and popping it aside, doubling over the big piece of tape sticky side to sticky side, squish it in the middle and shape a bow, then wrap that little piece around the center and glue. If you add tails, make sure you clip the ends on an angle. Then find some appropriate sized pearls and glue on the wreath. The next one's a little more funky. I'm using a springy craft tubing, the same as what I used for the snakes on my moving Medusa sculpture. I've cut a length and threaded it with a pipe cleaner and then tied the pipe cleaner together to make a loop. I made a pretty black sparkly washi tape bow, which is glued on, and trimmed any tails and scraggly bits. I also popped on a sparkly diamond in the center of the bow. So guys, that's the last of my tiny little wreaths for my mini Christmas shop. Subscribe and hit the notifications to keep checking in on the shop's progress. I love it when we hang out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.